Yan. So in this video, we'll be learning about the accrued expense. One of the 6 adjusting entries. And actually, panghuli siya. As we tackled this in the previous videos. So let us start answering. On May 1, 2024, ABC Company borrows 10,000 from the bank. Okay, so we debit cash and credit notes payable. And the debt carries an annual interest of 6% and is paid in full interest on July 1. So ilang months to from May to July? It is a total of 14 months. And so record the initial borrowing, this, and the year-end adjustment on this on December 31, and the repayment of the debt, it is on July 1. So how do we derive from 400? So this is the formula. And overall, the full interest is this, the principal of 10,000, times its interest rate, annual, but times 14, the total, the duration, divided by 12 months, we get 700. But, since we only recognize the interest from May to July 1, a total of 8 months, yeah, so this is the formula, 10,000 times 6 times 8 divided by 12, we get a amount of 400. And because on July 1, we will now recognize the 300 of revenue. Of expense. Diba? Ito expense 400 and this is the expense of 300 with a total of expense of 700. Yan. So here on July 1, we cancel out the notes payable na 1,000 earlier. We cancel out the interest payable earlier and we pay the full amount na principal plus interest. 1,000 plus 700 equals 1 and 10,700. Yan. So this is for problem number 1. Let's proceed. Atin natin. Next problem, accrued expenses salary. So XYZ company pays a salary of 4,000 every Friday. Yun yung ideal daw. Na kung saan every day, ilan ba? 4,000 divided by 5. And 800 daw yung binabayad niya every day. So, the adjusting entry, or December 31, falls on Thursday. So, how many days is that? It is 4 days. Right? For Monday to Thursday is 4 days. So, we only recognize the salaries expense of 4 days, which is 800, kasi 18 per day, times 4. Yan, we get 3,200. Or we can also do 4,000 times 4 divided by 5. And we get 3,200. So we recognize that as an expense because of the expense recognition principle. And January 1, and we do the adjustment. And when we paid, yan. So nagbayad na tayo ng salaries of 4,000. We cancel out the previous payable of 3,200 and recognize the 1-day expense of 800. So in total, yung total expense natin is 4,000. Diba? Yung December 31, we recognize 3,200 and on January 1, 800 yung recognize. So this is the accounts for this. Yan. So thank you for watching and God bless everyone.